Good day, my people, good day. It is Sunday. A friend told me about this guy selling a Land Rover LR3 and I'm going to check it out to see what's going on. See if it's worth the investment. The price is right, so we'll see. Just sharing with you what I do when I'm going to check out a used car. This is going to be a series. So this is a part 1, then there'll be a part 2 because we're not playing number 2. To show you what I travel with when I'm going. This is my scanner. I travel with my scanner. A few people ask what kind of scanner I'm using. So it is a Altel MS 906 Bluetooth. MS 906 Bluetooth. So there it go with that. I bring my light, trusty light, chip on board. Yo, these work good. I love that. And then I am bringing my jump box just in case. Yo, this thing are the real thing. You know, most people still use big old jump box. I use this and this work good. So I'm going to update you shortly. See you in a minute. Bless. Yes, I almost forget, say, I don't leave me lie down board. See this? This is what we call me lie down board. In Jamaica, we call it reggae bed. You have to get under there and see if the thing rust out or not, or if the thing missing, or if it look like it ran off the road or something. So that's why them selling it. Because more than likely, you get over there and it's wet and I ain't even gonna go under there. It's probably good. When you get it back home, you see the chassis bend.